Hey everybody, it's Clint Powell back again with Eric Buchanan and Associates. It's where I ask some questions from one of the team members from Eric Buchanan and Associates, and then they give you answers. I have used Eric and his team in the past, and when I went through my process, I realized that I don't speak insurance, but they do, and that's why we have them on. Hopefully the questions I ask will also be relevant to you. Now, I have a guest with me. She's been with me before, and I'm going to bring her up. And I've been told if I say her name really fast that it'll be okay, that I'm going to nail it. Here we go. How are you, Audrey Dolmovich?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How'd I do?
Perfect.
Okay, great. I know what kind of day you've had, and so it was perfect if I got it right or got it wrong. All right. Are you ready for the questions for the day?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Let me get it because I have it written down here. Overpayments. So first of all, what is an overpayment, and is there a different definition when you're in the insurance world? And can the insurance company really enforce that?
So usually an overpayment is when you've been awarded for Social Security benefits. And so the insurance company, most of the time, it's important to read your policy, but most of the time they can offset for the amount that you're receiving in Social Security. So if you've received benefits from your long-term disability company for a while, then that creates this overpayment. Now, as far as can they really enforce that? Can they make you pay back that overpayment? It really depends. It depends on the policy. It's important to look in your policy and see what your policy says about other income benefits is usually what it's termed. If you have any questions about the overpayment, it's important to contact an attorney who deals with the policies and can kind of guide you through that process.
Well, and I'm glad you said what I say every video with you or one of your team members, and that is, if you don't know, ask. The odds, whatever you're assuming, is wrong. If you think you know the answer to that and you're not in the insurance business, either writing the policy or an attorney, you're probably wrong.
Well, I hope you're right, but there is a chance you could be wrong. So that's why it's important to either give us a call or give someone who does this type of work a call and have them explain it to you.
Yeah, and I'm getting ready to ask you for contact information so people know where to get a hold of you. But I will say, every time I bring one of you folks on, it does my heart good, but it's check your policy.
Yes.
Check the policy. And I know that sounds, everybody goes, well, of course, check your policy. And I've asked Eric this before, if you have access to someone like Eric or yourself, I even believe it's good before you have a problem, if there's certain definitions you don't understand, to reach out and know what they are before there's a problem.
Absolutely, because sometimes when you get to the point where you have a problem, it might be too late to fix that problem. So it's always important, as soon as you think that you might have an issue or you have any type of question, to reach out and ask us.
Do me a huge favor. Tell everybody how to get a hold of you, the best way to ask those kind of questions.
Yeah, so you can give us a call. The phone number is 423-634-2506. Or you can go to our website, which is buchanandisability.com, and you can reach us that way too.
That is awesome. I hope I get to have you on again and I'll say this so everybody can know, when you've had a better day. Thank you very much, Audrey.
Thank you.